There are two types of people in this world: those who are happy to track their daily step counts with a Fitbit, and those who must track everything. For the latter, a run of the gym wearable just won't do. For those people, a wearable must be built like a proverbial outhouse, measure every activity, statistic and variable known to humankind, and look ruddy good doing it. For those people, Garmin has built the Fenix 5. Taking the already capable Forerunner 935 as its foundation, the Garmin Fenix 5 wraps a comprehensive suite of fitness tracking abilities, connected smarts and general usefulness in a stunning shell that you'll be happy to wear every single day. At £500, though, you'll be playing for the privilege. Can the Garmin Fenix 5 justify its price tag? I spent the last few weeks getting wet and sweaty to answer that very question. Unbox the Garmin Fenix 5 and you'll rapidly realize just how gorgeous this thing is. Clad in just enough bulk to make it feel sturdy, it steers away from the overzealous chunk of many a go-anywhere watch, instead opting for a subtler, albeit decidedly rugged, steel frontage. It all feels properly premium and appropriately strong. Happily, while you won't forget you're wearing it, the Fenix 5 is a fair bit chunkier than its Forerunner 935 cousin. It also doesn't sit too high on the wrist, measuring in at 15.5 millimeters deep, meaning it'll just slip beneath the shirt cuff. Which Garmin Fenix 5 is good, because you'll want to wear this baby all the time. Once you've looked past the body and bezel, available in 42mm, 47mm and 51mm case sizes, you'll spot the 1.2-inch fully circular display that fronts the Garmin Fenix 5. At 30.5mm across, it makes for a natural watch face, and, while the 240 by 240 pixel resolution sounds low, in practice it's clear and readable, even in direct sunlight. You'll probably spend a day prodding it, mind, much as it looks like it should be. The Garmin Fenix 5's display isn't touch-enabled. That might sound like a killer omission, but it actually turns out to be one of the 5's best features. Besides saving battery life, using the physical lug buttons to control the watch gives it a high-end feeling, and offers much more control during activities over touch inputs, especially when swimming. Admittedly, the Garmin Fenix 5 various functions of the individual buttons, there are 5, will take a little while to get used to, in particular, what each one does in specific menu and activity situations. Once mastered, though, you'll wonder why you ever thought a touchscreen was the future. Set up and good to stroll, I found the Garmin Fenix 5 to be every bit the consummate day-to-day companion. It'll do all the usual bits, namely step tracking, sleep monitoring and active minutes, as well as floors climbed, an unexpected motivator, and, because of the inbuilt heart rate monitor, accurate calorie burn counts. Over a fortnight, tracking was both accurate and usefully accessible, with the one-touch summary screen offering useful updates, while move reminders, dismissed by strolling far enough to clear the bar, were subtle but genuinely motivating. That same usefulness goes for mainstream exercise. Press the top right lug and you'll get a customizable list of favorites, from which activity tracking can be started. It's all straightforward, easy to follow and clear. As a running companion, the Fenix 5 is brilliant in its simplicity and reliability. Wait for GPS signal, which generally took less than 30 seconds, hit start and it'll go with you every step of the way. Only once, beneath heavy trees, did it lose satellite signal, but once I re-emerged, it figured out where I'd been and adjusted my distance accordingly. During an activity, there are 4 screens to scroll through, and this clarity, paired with the Garmin Fenix 5 physical buttons, is welcome when running or cycling. Data, such as distance, time, pace and heart rate zone are all one scroll away, with digits large and crisp. In short, it's a joy to use.